Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive north on I-29 in the state of Iowa, beginning at mile 65 in Pottawattamie County on the north end of the Omaha-Council Bluffs metropolitan area. Here we're at an elevation of approximately 1,000 feet or 305 meters above sea level. Exit 66 leads to the unincorporated community of Honey Creek. This is one of 3 places named Honey Creek in Iowa. At exit 71, Interstate 880 heads off to the east to join I-80 with the control city of Des Moines. From here, I-29's control city is Sioux City. Exit 72 leads to the unincorporated community of Loveland, and to the west is the Wilson Island State Recreation Area on the Missouri River. Wilson Island, named after former Governor George Wilson, came into existence as an island sandbar around 1900. Today, Wilson Island State Recreation Area encompasses 544 acres of dense cottonwood stands. Seclusion is one of the area's greatest assets, and spacious campsites, hiking trails, and picnic spots provide a welcome retreat. A modern camp area offers showers, flush toilets, electric campsites, and 2 large youth group camping areas. Approximately 5 miles of trails are used for hiking, snowmobiling, cross-country skiing, and mountain biking. A 3/4 mile trail along the shoreline of the Missouri River and boat ramp provide excellent access to the river. We've now entered Harrison County, formed in 1851 and named for the 9th U.S. President, William Henry Harrison. Harrison County had an estimated population of 14,134 as of 2018. At exit 75, U.S. Highway 30 crosses I-29, and we briefly passed through the city limits of Missouri Valley here, laid out in 1867 when Chicago and Northwestern Railway was extended to that point. The city was named after the valley of the Missouri River. As of 2019, Missouri Valley had an estimated population of 2,615. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. We conclude today's video here at mile marker 88. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.